had to eat the nuts because she ate all the cookies.
Oh, okay. Wow. Well, maybe you should just buy some plain cookies, and next time buy you a pack of macadamia nuts there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger on that, man. But I didn't know she didn't like macadamia nuts. So the next time I buy some crispy cookies, I won't buy none with no macadamia nuts in them.
Well, she might be eating them for her health. They know them macadamia nuts. That's one of the good nuts, like the walnut there and the almond there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger on that. Hey, Ross, you got to be eating them for your health because they cost so much.
Yeah. What'd you say, Larry?
Sound like he just met her.
I heard what you said. I just wanted you to say it.
Seems like you was eating peanuts and cereal.
No, I put the pecan in there. Larry, you know, you can get some of these cereal with nuts in it. And they claim that box had nuts in it. It must be all on the bottom. I just opened it up. So I just went on and got a few of my pecans out of that mixed nuts there, Roger.
Yeah, that's what I eat. The kind that's got the crunchy, what's the name of it? Some kind of crunch.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Sugar cubes on the cereal. And that's what I might eat tonight.
That's what I've just finished a bowl of it now. That's the same stuff. I like that cereal.
Man, you just get you a box of Raisin Bran and be done with it.
Some fresh milk over the weekend. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to have for dinner.
Yeah, I got some raisins. I got a big box. I got one of them, what do they call that? One of them family boxes, where they got 2 boxes in one box. I keep Raisin Bran, and that box we talking about, Larry, and the one that look like something you get out of the wheat field. The mini wheats, I think that's what they call them. They look like little bales of hay there, Roger.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I eat some of them, man. But they're pretty good. You let them soak a little bit in the milk. They're pretty good, but I do not like Raisin Bran. I don't know, man. I just don't like that.
Them mini wheats, they got a lot of fiber in them, don't they?
Yeah, that's what it's fiber, and it keeps your colon clean there, Roger.
No, I got to disagree with that.
Yeah, Roger on that. Yeah, I know I had some frosted mini wheats one time. They was pretty good.
Oh, hold on, Dennis. Mike say Mike been drinking over there, so, you know, you have to listen to the drunk man. So let me see what the drunk man got to say there. Go ahead, Mike.
But see, one thing about fiber, you need to eat a lot of foods with fiber. See, it brings all that, that feces, your feces, it brings it all together. It makes it all clumpy and real hard. So if you already have some kind of digestive issues, and then all it does is just sit there and block your intestines and make it hard for you to have a bowel movement there. But you know how it is, man. With everything you eat, man, you got to eat it in moderation. There, good there.
Well, that's what we're doing. But I don't have no issue with coming out. I have an issue getting there on time before it come out there, Roger.
Oh, yeah, Roger. Well, look, I told you, every time I go to Louisiana, I get that stuff for those grown people diapers there. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I'm gonna have to, next time I deliver something down there, I'm gonna have to get some with your name on it there. Good there.
Yeah, buddy. Ain't no shame in my game. If I had to put one on, I had to put one on. Sometimes I barely make it there sometimes. But they tell me it's healthy to have a frequent bowel move. And I know there have been some days we had to go 2 or 3 times there, Roger.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're supposed to have a bowel movement every time you eat a meal. So the doctors say. But, you know, they say a lot of things. And, you know, it ain't happening like that. So, you know, as long as you know when you got to go and do what you got to do, then ain't no problem there. But and I also talked to the people also, and they're gonna make some of those diapers for your face for those people that like to talk crap there. Good.
Yeah, I got to comment on that about what the doctor said about after every meal. Now the doctor know he didn't make no sense, and even a fifth grader probably tell him he didn't make no sense. Talking about after every meal. What happens when you in flight on one of them big 747s and you're on a 9-hour flight and you know they serve you 2 meals on a flight like that? So you tell me after about 300 passengers get through eating, all of them gonna go in them 2 little bathrooms up there on that flight?
Well, you know what happened to that plane the other day when that guy opened up the emergency door. Look, he had to get out of there because look, they were lined up trying to get to the bathroom. That kills him.
Yeah, I tell you, that's an ugly picture right there. I sure wouldn't want to be in that picture there, Roger.
What'd you say?